What the heck is wrong with my game? I'm gonna try and turn this up. Okay, I'm gonna fix this and I'll be right back. Now that that problem's fixed, guys, people who watch this, we are so close. We are past 70,000. Oh man, we are this close. We are 1 inch close from getting king. So today might be the day that we get king. Whew. The pressure is on. So yeah. Bum 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 bum. Thank you for watching these videos, and look, okay, these are ready again. Peru is the first word. The word is Peru, and so yeah, today is also a special mystery box kind of thing. So we're gonna hopefully try and see if we can get that jackpot. That'll really get us into that king. And yeah, what I mostly get from those kind of mystery boxes lately have been like crappy stuff. Like I once got 1 key. I've gotten like 3 keys from like the regular mystery box before. I mean, it sucks. And then the other time it gave me like 29 hoverboards. So I'm gonna try and get coins this time. I don't care how many coins as I say, but I just need coins. I don't care how much, I just need coins. So yeah. Great. Okay. If I get a jackpot, hopefully I can double up and get like that would be awesome. But you know, did not mean to do that. Okay. So we still got the U to find in Peru. So we're gonna search that. Where are you, you? Where are you, you? Bum, 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 bum. There it is. I saw the U in the distance! Ha! Why did I do that? Crap. Alright, we gotta find it again. U. U, U. U, 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 U. U, U. U, 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 U. U, 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 U. There you are. Get you. Okay. So, yep. There we go. So, now we're just gonna kill ourselves and pray to the heavens above us. Will we get coins? How much? How many? Wow! 6,000. If we double up, that's... No! I didn't double up! What? I tapped double up. I swear I did. Dad, we could have been 1,000 away from getting on the Sabanga Jenga! Why do I do that sometimes? Oh, man. Alright, well, we're at like 73,000, I think, right now, which sucks! Because we could have easily just gotten like 79,000, or like, no, like 76,000, something like that. But I don't know why I was so stupid right there. I was so stupid. Well, this is certainly going good, I guess. Hurrah. There's a possible chance that we might get king today. And you'll probably see it on the title. I mean, I won't know till the end of the video. I mean, if I do get him, I probably won't know till like when I get him. But you'll probably easily see on the title if I get him or not. Which is kind of like a breaker for you guys. But I might actually not put it on the title, like not say anything. But I mean, I might. I just might. But yeah. So let's see, we got a magnet butt right here. Can we make it? Yeah. There we go. No, please make it. Please. No. That's just like, that's thug life. That's true thug life right there. That's me. Get the key. No, I missed the key. Of course. Alright, well, I mean, oh, I'm so mad that, can y'all hear that? That's my sister, because I'm in my basement, and that's my sister. God. Wait, she's asking me something. I'll be right back. Okay. Alright, well, she probably doesn't know I'm on YouTube right now. I'm recording YouTube. But, you know, life is life. Just go through it. So. No! Alright. Can we get coins? Can we get coins, ladies and gentlemen? It's a mega head start. Okay. Alright, mega head start. It's just a head start. Alright. We are 6,000 away. Oh, man. 6,000 away from getting king. We can do it this video. I'm sure. I'm sure. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to tap that. There we go. Oh, I double tapped. Crap. Even though it seems sad because we didn't get that second thing. We didn't get that double up. I still have faith in us. I love that spinning thing, by the way. Jump. Oh, that is not fair. Alright. Here we go. Yes! Okay, that's a good jump. It's not really much to say, I mean... Oh, and I'm gonna be, with my Xbox this weekend. So I'm gonna try to possibly make some videos from the Xbox. Like, possibly, like, somebody holding it, or me making a setup kind of thing. I don't know. I'll have to see, because... Okay. That was my mother. Nobody knows him on YouTube. But it is like 9:26 at night, so. Bum, 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 bum. No. Why did I do that? Crap. Alright, maybe 1 or 2 more rounds and then we'll call it a day. Probably not gonna get him today, but you know, we'll see. Alright, here's a mystery box. We're gonna kill ourselves and see what's in it. It's a fresh stereo. God. I'm actually not doing too bad on getting fresh. I mean, I've got like 26 left. That's not pretty bad. Yeah. I mean, I get those and hoverboards most of the time. That's pretty much all I get. But, I mean, you gotta live through it. Live with it! That you can't always have what you want sometimes. Oh, done. Okay. Need to find another mystery box. Mystery box! Mystery box! Oh, come on. I'm not talking much because there's pretty much like nothing to talk about. I mean, playing Subway Surfers. You're watching. I've probably said that before, but you know. But I know I've said "but" a lot. I mean, I can't help it. But it's like a. See, I just did it again. It's like a habit. So we're gonna get coins and stuff. I mean, you really want to get the distance, but you really need coins too. No. All right. I thought that was the round we got a mystery box. I don't know why, but okay. Probably have one more round. Probably have time, and we're not gonna get it today. I definitely know that unless we get the jackpot in the mystery box win, if we find one. That's the only way we'll win. Which is probably not gonna happen. So yeah. Okay, so it's gonna be a 4th episode on the series. Hoorah! I will not play this game until I can get that 4th episode out. So yeah, please be tuned for that. And I know this is the only kind of videos I've been making lately. It's because I don't know what to do. Any suggestions? So please, if you watch this video, please give me some suggestions on what game I should play. Should I play more Slitherio? Should I do more Roblox? Should I do more Minecraft? Should I do some YouTuber games that YouTubers have done? Just please suggest them to me. Like, I like the game Riddle School. Like that DanTDM played. It's pretty fun, so I can show y'all that, I guess. But yeah, so. Oh, no. Okay, I just need to find another mystery box. How hard is it to find another mystery box? Yeah, we're almost running out of time, so we might. Oh, here it is. Alright. This is the last thing that we're gonna do today. Open this mystery box. Okay. I'm literally done with this game. Why do you give me so many fresh hysterias? Well, I'm just gonna watch this ad real quick. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to...
Littles. They're cute, but not too careful what they play with. These berries are turning out to be a real puzzle. And are going to land the Littles in big
Okay. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please share it to your friends. Please make a comment down below of what other games I should play. I am Harrison. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next video. Bam!